Na ma nkwadwa na metna ha ebeba so. Ete ya mu ya de na mo ya ma na fa no. Anya se etutu. Ye nyina ye pawo. Oba ye si free education, ye free the body ko school 12 million. Na 12 million me ko bo kra se me ko toro me che. Ye dwoma na ye betna se. Ye woni ba ko ye ba da ya. Aho che ba ha de woni ba ko ho. Ye wa high school mo se bia so ntena ha. Se ko ba sa dia be ha adwene. Ye nyina ye boaboa ye ho saa. Ya boaboa ye. Nti asa omusi agane kama. Ni hafo ni nyina na ye ko ni ye nyumba bia. Ye be dija. Ye he gano o da mo nyina mo ye. Ni ye.
Sabe kanu eno no. APP constituency wey APP constituency. APP atena konwa so ha 8 years. Omu say obi ahwe. APP atena konwa so 8 years. Omu say obi ahwe. Who said na send me kwa so? I say some roundabout. I mean this one. I'm on Padinja ho aduma. Was a hard me baba say no. Me baba say small adi. Just a way ko data wa ha. Men peno. Asoro no men pastor ni tinu. Me baba say no. Omo do aja nyame. Asoro omo do aja nyame. No me no. Me so omo kwaso. Me kaso omo sisa. Sa bra we. Sa we common sense keke. Wouldn't say sa bra we to school boots. Sambre we do crofo do mbako school. Sambre we da kwasem crofo na ma. APP atra kunya so 8 years. Omo aye embedoma kwan saa kwa hwa kwa nyina. Omo doji bibia, omo ase obia bibia. Mox so wo hanu no. Kramofo asoro omo doji so na omo nya kramofo. Omo doji ni nyina. Kodere omo doji kodere bia. Se no kura ye ba ko pa. Nya mbedu asema ama mo.
Nipa, yes, they are money. I'm more because fire. I'm a and this was the 1 year. The next 4 years, the whole father have end this. One quote, I just hope and this will be uncle Tiaman, no chroma. Why fast on 1 year? Yes, take container Tamana, who said never went there over here, Hane Yavana. What public fans want to feel quack? Then on Betty. Obu ha bra o here ma e wo school e kunu ni ho wo be so much money na se o munya dan the choir am fa kwa for in this point na kwantia na o be kwend this part na ni must
NDC fuo e se edun gati afo ofa kwa ka mo mane nka mo hu ma blabo mo bonu kro ma mo we e se edun gati afo mo de o mo tire amafo ajibusi o nkrofo ma bi school
ebusua eyezu na waje to say eyeza haya Ghana Nsem TV na asama aba no enya asem ketua endra na on the 9th of September 2025 na is dogo piemu Ashanti region ene buno eye region there na kire say massive eye demolition kire say NDC aban no say obubu amanfo adan ene omonema na uhwe the CA busunya asefem yi na we ne ma me mu bie mu a kire se omoton ade ne de abeto abonten se na nka mo hwe nyame anim kwa na mo nkan hunu se nkola ye bie school ma be ko school na mu di sa adwuman na kwan be na mpese mo fa so a kire se omo betimi enyeska di akohwe omombai school. You know, after watching the video, I was very sad because the BA school, and we all know say Nkolano, BA school, BA school, I think last week, both primary, nursery, JHS, I think the SS4 crown, so maybe form one for the coin in October, that is next month. So, how do you expect these people to pay their school fees for their kind of saying wards? We expect to say, how do they even buy books and other stuffs on here? And you know, it's very sad, but a year in a pay and Abani say. The internet make us say any pen Abani say, and say, I will follow. Is it two for knowing Tia or Quantiade? Now, Eastern Bono region, Sunyanen and Potemu, any Ashanti region. About to my NDC no. So no. And I'm we told you people say men young from Swan Kotoban from the NDC, but you told us say a zoo. And since a zoo, no, what you are experiencing is a yeza. But see, we live in this country. A lot of things happened, and then another uncle Kufuado. But it wasn't like this. Within a day, Kumasi demolition exercise, Koso. Bono region, Sunyani demolition exercise, Ekoso. So, how long are you guys going to continue doing this? How long? Enti mo ndwene timamfo no kakrampo. Mo ndwene timamfo no ehun kakrampo. Eno yese sa wo awobone a oti wo baabi nka. Sanso na sa wo to ababone a oti wo baabi enka. Oto ababone a oti wo baabi nka. And this is what is happening today. This is the reason why today ye boom stores egu. Ye boom stores egu. It's very sad though. But a yen yamana banisa. Cause ye catch you na went here. No, yes, say you can't went here. The be now be home. The funny part is the funny sense and care to our band there. These same people will still go and vote for the NDC. I'm telling you, Sankia to our band there, they will still go and vote for the NDC. Munya Mushi, you are now complaining. You've not seen anything yet. You've not seen anything yet, and this is just the beginning. More to come. More is yet to come. How you gonna same TV, Busuya? Let's just like you know share.
Also, a great pride for me to be supporting one of my own. You know, those of us with mixed blood. My dad, an Anoman, a pure Anoman from Nyakonokwe and Chairman. He was a young Greek officer who came to Winneba on transfer and met my beautiful mom, a fancy woman. And they had two of us, my big sister and I. So I'm a fancy and low boy. Sometimes people say, but why is that your fancy is taking the better part of you? I say, well, at least from Winneba, I was sent to Chiame to live with my grandma for some time, and I was brought back. I couldn't get anybody to speak ever with, so at the time I could get somebody to speak with, I was in St. Augustine's. So don't blame me. It's really not my fault. But I still remember home, and it's always a great sense of pride finding myself amongst my own Voltarians. So, Vosa, thank you for reaching out. I have 33 names, Selassie, all the way to Matthias Makafuyi Odu. All right, so I'm told 26 of you are here, and okay, they've enveloped everything. Okay. So, my dear students, I think we got the full list, and the total support for your fees comes up to 105,000. So I have it all here. I would hand it over to Mr. President, and then he would in turn ensure that you receive it and then you pay your fees. This is just the beginning, and always knock on my door and I'll be there for you. And thank your colleagues who are in leadership for also at least reaching out to me to start this relationship. And when they came to me, I actually told them that many years ago, I started this relationship with the UUW Volta Student Association. And some of them abused the relationship by taking money and not paying the fees of their colleagues. And he told me that, senior, we have a very transparent system and we will never let you down. So once we continue, I know most of you coming from the Volta region or even being Voltarians, but in Accra, your parents are going through struggle to get you there.
So I will continue to do my bit so that I support. But don't let yourself down and don't let me down and don't abuse it. So thank you very much, Mr. President. I think I have it here.